Changing the email link to your Bank of America account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Eschrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access to profile settings. Once logged in, navigate to the profile or account settings section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the profile settings, look for an option labeled email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, click the Save or Update button to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Once you have completed these steps, your email link to your Bank of America account will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.